Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with an AliExpress haul. I picked up a few items and I wanted to share with you what I picked up and show you some examples. So let's jump right in. The first die that I picked up is this one right here. It's really pretty. It has a floral background and then it has the word happy birthday. This is, it comes in two pieces. So you can either cut it with this inside or you can cut it without and it will leave that blank little space. And I'll show you what it looks like both ways, but it's a simple and quick and easy birthday card. All right, so this is what it looks like cut out with the inlay, the happy birthday. Isn't that pretty? And all you have to do is add some bling and then you've got a simple, quick birthday card ready to go. Really, really pretty. And let me show you what it looks like without. This is what it looks like cut out without the happy birthday. So then you can go back and add your own sentiment or different dies that you have or, you know, embellish further without the happy birthday. And I think it looks really, really pretty cut out of glitter paper. Gorgeous. And let me just show you really quickly. I mean, you can also, if you want, you can layer this piece. If you cut it out separately, you can layer it on top if you want, like that. That's also an option. But I think it's meant to have that inlay like that. But really, really pretty. And I'm really loving this die right here. Okay, moving along, I picked up this die right here. It comes with two pieces, this piece right here, and then this outer piece, which is the base. And then it has all these little, I guess, hexagon shapes that also they come out and they're also stitched, which is an added bonus. You can use them to embellish further. And let me show you what I made with that die. This is what that looks like. Isn't that really pretty? I used some chunky red glitter and some silver glitter paper, and I made a really pretty Christmas card. I did use the Alina Crafts heart bow die, and then this is a heart button that I actually picked up off of Ali a few weeks ago. It's just a heart button and it's a flat back. And then I used this Merry Christmas paper, which is red foil that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I think that came out really, really pretty. All right, moving along, I also had picked up this die right here, and it reads Happy Birthday, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 dies that come in this set, and this is what that die looks like cut out. I did use this really pretty shiny, like kind of like holographic paper that I picked up from KS Craft. It's a heavyweight foiled cardstock, and it comes in several different colors in case you're wondering. But it's really pretty and it's really great quality cardstock. I used all the different layers that came in this die. I did pop it up on some dimensionals to make it pop, and that's what that looks like. So really, really pretty. I did do a double layer of glitter and white cardstock on the happy birthday sentiment, which is really, really, really pretty. So another quick, easy birthday card right here. All right, moving along, I did pick up some of this ribbon. I don't know, I just ran across it and it was inexpensive, so I thought I would try it out. And it's really pretty. So I just wanted to show you that I had picked up this really pretty, it's like a pink silver colored ribbon. And I think it would be cute with making like tiny bows and things like that. So I picked that up. All right, moving along, I did pick up this die right here. And I also picked up this die set right here. It's a stitched scalloped set. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 6 dies in here. And let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is what that die looks like right here. And as you can see, it has the really pretty stitching on the outside of the scalloped. And it comes in all these different sizes, which is really, really cute. And then let me show you what that heart looks like. This heart right here, this is what it looks like when you cut it out. And then you can layer a layering piece behind it, just like so. And this is gonna make a super cute card. So I just wanted to share that with you. This is definitely perfect for Valentine's Day, of course, or love, weddings, any occasion really. But I just really like that die. I like how it just cuts out the heart. And you know, you can obviously create shakers with that die. Lots of options with that. All right, moving along. I picked up this die right here, and it has snowflakes, and it also has individual snowflakes. And I did cut it out just so that you could see what it looks like. It looks like that, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And this would create a really pretty card, or even you could put a picture in a scrapbook layout. So very, very pretty, and as you can see, it cuts out very nicely. All right, moving along, I actually did pick up some of these gold leaves, and I can open it up so you can see. I picked up the pink and the gold. I think I was watching Tony, who is Craft Purge here on YouTube. She, I think, had shared these a while back, and I thought they were really pretty, and she had been using them in her project, so I wanted to try these. So hi, Tony, if you're watching. All right, moving along, I also picked up some stickers. I picked up some planner stickers, and I just wanted to share with you, for all you girls who love your planners, this particular store has different planner stickers, and this is what this one looks like right here. And as you can see, this one is like a tropical theme for the summer, but really, really pretty. It has gold foil on it. And then you've got some numbers, and they're actually circled, if you can see that. And then you've got an alphabet, and that's gold foil as well. And then you've got all of these stickers right here: vacation, important, weekend, shopping, all of that. And then you've got a lot of different tabs. And then this is back to the beginning. So really, really cute planner sticker sheet that I picked up. So I wanted to share that. And then I also picked up these planner stickers as well. And then you get 5 sheets of these. And I'll show you what they look like. Let me just pull them out really quick. So you get this one right here. And this one says, you have to expect things of yourself before you can do them. It is never too late. Believe in yourself. One life, one chance. Girl power. Really, really cute set, and as you can see, it's foiled. And this is the next one right here. Really, really cute. And again, these are planner stickers, so you use these in your planners or your traveler's notebooks. Pretty funny. And then, oops, did I skip one? Yes. And then this one right here. Again, you can see it's all foiled. It says, love is in the air, live a good story, love your life, have a nice day, small steps every day. So this is really, really pretty. I really love this one. Really, really nice. And then this is the next sheet that it came with right here. All of these ones, and they're all little individual stickers. And then there you have an alphabet sheet. And then this is back to the first page. So that's what that one looks like. And then the second one that I picked up, it says it's foil clear sticker pad. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It has all of these different foiled stickers. And again, it's perfect for planners. Thankful and grateful. Why hello. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. And this one right here, your vibe attracts your tribe. I love that one. Be original, live happy, nothing but good vibes. Find joy in the ordinary. And then you get an alpha sheet with that, and it is, you know, foiled. And you get all of these different words. They're really nice size stickers. And this is the next page right here. And that is it. So that is my haul for you today. Please leave a comment. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you check the description box below for more information on products. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.